Hello everybody, Jackson here from the Wealth Squad. Today we'll be talking about 3 stocks to watch for next week, starting off with ticker AMAT or Applied Materials. Now you can see some sort of formation forming here. We have 2 hits for the resistance, then we have 3 hits for the trend line. And you can see it is creeping up, same as that RSI, and you could see that if the pattern continues, that AMAT will continue to complete this formation of an ascending triangle. Now, how I found this, using finviz.com, I just look up certain stocks and you can see that I've spotted this trend and it does look like it's going to continue, right? And then we could check out some patterns. So it's the ascending triangle right here, like I said earlier. So it does look like it's a bullish move. Once we continue to watch this, we could see for sure, if it does break out. But until then, just watch it. Maybe buy it when it hits this trend line. That's probably a good time to buy it, as well as when the RSI is growing. You don't want to buy it on the down. You want to buy it after it's hit that trend line or shortly after, right? Next, we'll be talking about AMT, just one letter away from AMAT. This is a American Tower Corporation, REIT, so it's a real estate investment trust. I'm pretty sure they do cell towers. So you can see actually AMAT is also in a tight formation where this top trend line that's acting as a resistance hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Bottom support 1, 2, 3. And right now it's at the bottom support. So if you want to buy in, now's the time, right? This RSI is creeping up after hitting 50. So, it's trying to go back to 70, which will put us around that 290 mark. And then if you hold it for longer than that, you can probably see 300. But let's look up AMT on Finviz if it lets us. All right, you can see same pattern here, just a tight formation, and it is closing in. And if we look back at our trends, our actual stock charts, we could probably spot this. It does look like a rising wedge. It may be a bearish move, but it does look like it started off going down, right? So let's see. Yeah, it kind of does start off going down, not the entire way, but just watch this stock. It is in a tight range, so it can go in either direction. Although right now it's at the bottom of the range, so if you want to buy in, now's the time, right? And then last is AMGN, which is a medical company, drug company. And you could see actually there's no trend, it's just a support and resistance, right? In this case, it's only a support in which it's hit the last 3 times, maybe 4 if we extend it out here, but we'll just keep that this 3 because it does look like those are for sure. And now if your risk tolerance is not necessarily high, this may be a good one because you can see the RSI climbing up. You can see it's been depressed for a little bit here, trading at the 260s earlier in the year, now at 220. This may be a good pickup because the RSI is very, very low. The lowest it could go is 0, obviously, but 30's in the accurate range of averages, right? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times it hit 30. Right now it's on its 6, and it does look like it's going to go up after this, right? It's already started a green candle. Now let's check out Amgen on Finviz. See if we can see the same thing. Yeah, you can see some more trend lines here. Actual resistance as well, instead of just a support. You can see a trend line that broke out. So yeah, it does look like Amgen will make a positive move here soon. There's no real, pattern to label this as, except for, a heavy support. Because that is what it looks like here, just a heavy support. Time it's hit that range, it's been a bullish move shortly after. So I might even go in on this one, but these are just some stocks to look at for next week. No actual financial advice here, just some things to look for, right? So that's the video. If you enjoyed, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.